In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run TikTok ads for e-commerce. We'll use TikTok's built-in promote tool, which is the quickest way to turn your content into a paid promotion that nudges viewers straight to your online store. This approach is simple, fast, and perfect when you want to drive immediate traffic without diving into the full ads manager. Start by opening your TikTok account. Make sure you're logged in on the device you'll use for the promotion so everything stays consistent. From the home screen, go to your profile. This is where you'll access the promote feature. Depending on your app version, promote appears in your profile options. If you don't see it right away, look for it within your profile settings or tools. Once you're in promote, select the goal called Get Sales. This tells TikTok that the objective of your campaign is to send shoppers to your store and encourage purchases. When prompted for a specific action, choose More Website Visits. This option aligns your promotion with clicks to your site and helps the system find users who are more likely to visit your pages. Next, choose the shop. Now Call to Action. This button is clear, direct, and familiar to users, and it sets the right expectation that they'll be taken to a store. Now, paste your website link. For best results, use a product page or a category page that matches the content of your video, so people land exactly where they expect. Make sure the URL is correct and the page loads quickly on mobile, since most viewers will be on their phones. After pasting the link, click Save. This locks in your destination and your call to action. From here, select a promotion pack. The pack controls your budget and duration, and TikTok will show you an estimated reach based on what you choose. Pick the option that fits your goals and resources. If you're new, starting modestly is fine. You can scale later once you see what works. On some devices, you'll pay with coins. On others, you'll pay in your local currency. Review the details to confirm everything looks right. Then click Pay to launch. That's it. You've just set up a TikTok promotion designed to drive real shoppers to your e-commerce site. Keep your landing page consistent with the message in your video, use clear product visuals, and make checkout easy. As your promotion runs, TikTok will display basic performance metrics so you can understand how your traffic is responding. When you're ready, repeat the process with your best performing content and strongest product pages to build momentum and keep results improving over time.